I think we got to talk about Fuelcell, right? Because that trade that we made last week is doing really well this week. Let's take a look. All right, so I got Fuelcell pulled up in TradingView. Before I jump into the chart, I just want to say, you can see I'm wearing the blue Orlando Magic Christmas hat. That's my basketball team. I'm an Orlando Magic fan. Grew up in South Orlando, Kissimmee, if you know the area. But the holidays are coming. This may be the last video that I do before I spend the holidays with my family. So I just want to tell everybody in this video, thank you so much. If you're here watching this, if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. It's been a pretty incredible journey. I just hit like 550 subscribers as I'm recording this, and that is absolutely amazing. I had no idea that this channel was going to kind of take off like it has, so very grateful for that. Very grateful for you guys for wanting to watch my videos. I don't know why you want to watch me, but I appreciate it. Maybe it's because we're making money in these trades, but to everybody out there, if you're still watching this by now, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a better 2021 than you did in 2020. If it was good or bad, either way, I hope you have a great 2021, okay? Okay, so Fuelcell is just absolutely ripping today. You guys can see right here, well, maybe not because my face is gonna cover it up. Let me scroll it up. You guys can see right here, we are up 25% today. And we called this last week. I made a video last week saying we got this bull pennant pattern forming, and it's suggesting that this stock is going to shoot to the upside if it breaks out to the upside out of this flag right here, out of this pennant flag. Well, look, it broke to the upside. As soon as it broke to the upside, I made a video on it saying this is the time to get in. I should probably take this moment to say I'm not a financial advisor, so don't sue me, bro. But this is for entertainment purposes, but I said get in right here. We got in, and we made a ton of money on this trade. And we just made a ton of money on the plug power trade that we closed out yesterday. So 2 very good days in a row for these trades, and if you've been making these trades with me, you've made a lot of money. So we have not quite reached that price target that we set for Fuelcell, but we're getting there, and we're getting there on some massive volume. Look at this flagpole that we made to start the bull pennant. Look at this volume just shoot up, and now look what's happening. The volume is shooting up because this consolidation period inside of this bull pennant, you see the volume start to dip as it's consolidating. It just kind of loses interest. There's not as much hype about the stock because all the hype was right here and it got exhausted. That's exactly what a bull pennant does. You have all these buyers come in, and then you have no buyers left, right? Everybody's bought in that wants to buy in, so it's exhausted. It needs time to kind of recuperate, so you don't get as much volume. And then once it's had time to recuperate, you have more buyers, or the interested buyers have more money. Then you get another just jump to the upside, and that's what this bull pennant projects. We take this size of this flagpole right here and we start it wherever the next bull run is going to start. So we did that, we copied it, and we have a price target on this stock of $16.44. The stock is currently trading at $13.41, and I told you guys to get in all the way down here. So we were in like the $8 or $9 range. So if you got in with me at that time, you've made $4 on a $9 stock. That's 44% already, and we're still not there. 44% on your money. I mean, some people don't make that in 4 years, and we made it in like 4 days. So this has been a very good trade for us. I still think there's upside to this trade. I do think we're going to that $16 range. I will personally probably get out right around $16. I'm not going to wait until $16.44 because I don't want to stay in too long and then see all my profits start to go away because it starts its next consolidation phase or whatever it's going to do after that. So once it hits $16, that's probably when I'm going to get out, honestly. But even if it doesn't, right, this is a bull pennant, so bull pennants have a 55% chance of hitting that price target, so this is not a guarantee. We have made a lot of money already, but it doesn't mean that we're going to keep making money here. We got a 55% chance of hitting that price target, but we are on our way there, guys. We are doing really well with this one, so really happy about this. We're doing it on huge volume, which means, when you have price action coinciding with volume in the same direction, right? You got a lot of volume, you got a lot of upside. That generally means that this is a true indicator of the direction that stock is going to go in the future. That it means that this is more believable. This move to the upside is more believable. Whereas if you have a big down day with a lot of volume, it means it's more believable, it's more true that that stock is trending down, right? So volume just kind of further amplifies that move to the upside or downside. So when you have a huge move to the upside like Fuelcell is doing today and yesterday on huge volume, then it gives you a little bit more confidence that that is the real direction that this stock is going. So I do think we have more gains over the coming days for Fuelcell. Look at this volume leaderboard today. Let me get rid of this ad. Fuelcell is number 2 on all US exchanges for volume. We're at 150 million shares traded. We're at 3:17 in the afternoon, so the market's not even closed yet. There's only one stock that's beaten it, and it's at 800 million shares, which I've never seen in my life. That is absolutely bonkers. There must be massive institutions buying up that Ocugen stock. So maybe I'll do a video on that one day. I don't know, but that stock is going absolutely bonkers. I've never even heard of it, and I've never even seen volume like that. But Fuelcell is number 2. Out of all stocks traded on US stock exchanges, Fuelcell is number 2 at 150 million shares. And look what's number 4. Oh, I've done a few videos on NEO on this channel. NEO's up there. Anyway, Fuelcell, huge volume, huge move to the upside, and there's still more gains to be had, okay? We're targeting $16 on this one. Still in it. I'm not selling here. I'm targeting 16 bucks, and then I'll reassess if I want to hold it as a long-term holder or if I want to get out, take my cash, and put it in the next trade. So I did sell Plug Power. I did decide to do that. I know it's a good company, but I want to use that cash on the next trade. I think, you know, there are short-term trades that make more money than holding a stock long-term. So I took that cash and I'm going to use it on the next one. So I got my cash still in Fuelcell. I'm waiting for 16 bucks on that one, and then I will reassess and see if I want to hold that one long term or sell it, take that cash and use it on the next trade. Okay guys, that's what I got for Fuelcell. Again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, had a great 2020. I hope you had a good 2020. I know there's not a whole lot of people out there that can say they had a good 2020, but if you didn't have a good 2020, I hope you have a great 2021, and I hope that for everyone out there that's watching this video, okay? Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.